Once again, find a comfortable position to sit and gently close your eyes. Acknowledge the weight of the world's events and the worry they bring. Feel the heaviness in your heart and the tension in your body as you read about the war in Israel against Hamas. Now, as you continue to sit in stillness, allow your body to dissolve into a cloud of fleeting sensations. Let go of the external world and turn your attention inward to the sensations within, the worry, the anxiety, and the fear. Just observe them without judgment. They are a part of your experience. In this moment, in the midst of this swirling cloud of sensations, bring your focus to your breath. Notice how it moves, in and out, allowing yourself a moment of peace amidst the chaos of the world. If you find yourself getting caught in thoughts about the war in Israel against Hamas, observe these thoughts without judgment. Remember that judgment is simply another thought, and gently bring your attention back to the breath. Take a moment to recognize that you have the ability to shift your experience, even when consumed by worry and distress. Recall a time when you felt calm and at peace. Imagine that feeling like a gentle smile in your mind's eye. Observe if this mental smile has the power to alleviate some of the heaviness in this moment of concern. As we approach the final minute of this session, direct your attention to your breath. Let it be the focal point of your awareness from the moment it enters your body to the moment it leaves. In the midst of the concerns and worries you carry from reading about the war in Israel, acknowledge the weight on your heart, the heaviness in your thoughts. Observe these emotions without judgment and provide yourself with compassion and understanding. Once again, I want to thank you for your dedication in finding moments of peace amidst the chaos. Remember to be gentle with yourself and know that tomorrow awaits another session with Meditator-AI.